Yo, what's good, guys? Y'all know what time it is. Heading to the muffler shop. Hold on one sec. Gotta get my charger. Stuff situated. Yeah, we're finna head to the muffler shop, man. I know what time it is. But anyway, guys, we'll catch y'all back. Let me put my phone on the charger. We'll catch y'all back, man. Man, we finna pull up, man. I hope they ain't busy. That's why I try to get here early. It's like 9 something now, so I said, man, we just hope they ain't busy, guys. Like I don't see no vehicles lined up, so yes sir, we might be the first one. Oh hell yeah. Hell yeah. First one, dog. And my buddies. What I'm talking about.
We all take it at the same time. That way nobody's left short handed. You know?
That's right. That's good though.
Yeah, man.
And I got I think I got an exhaust leak, but they say it might be the donut gasket. Just right here. Appreciate it, man. Little project, man. Yeah. Appreciate it. You're gonna see some imperfection under it, but it's gonna get like tubbing. You know how it be cut out and stuff.
Yeah,
but it's gonna get fixed though.
Yeah, ain't nobody see that down there. Only us.
That's it. Only y'all.
One more clip. All right. All set.
Yeah, so.
Well,
Let's see.
You gonna turn down? You wanna put
Because
tailpipes go back on with them if you want tailpipes left on it.
you said they can do what
Yeah,
now?
you got corner to corner mufflers if you want to leave the tailpipe.
Okay. If I do,
But you can turn it down. Let me find you.
okay, I would like to lead the tailpipes. I would just
They really need to come
off.
off because they're all on the gas tank. It's all on the spring, on the control
Turn
arm.
down's the best option with the rims.
You need to go with the turn down.
You're in the gas tank right here, and here's the rim.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take them off.
Yeah, you need to be able to go up here.
Yeah,
You do the
that's
75 side
Yeah,
with the bracket, it's like 150.
with the oh okay.
Yeah,
So
use the mufflers.
let me ask y'all this: the pipes that got the tips on it,
Yeah.
would it be?
I'm gonna cut that tip off of there,
Okay.
and I'm gonna put your little turn down, so it's not shooting at the
Will
rear
it,
end.
gotcha. Will it still make the tone I want?
Yeah, because you're gonna have the mufflers on there.
Gotcha.
The mufflers are making the tone, the tips is like the rim, like the accessory.
Okay. But you said this need to probably go for
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, see, it's all on the gas, the spare tire thing up here, real close.
Okay.
This is the main one, it's on the gas.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
What year is this? 85?
84.
84?
Yeah. And then I got a exhaust leak, man. It's I don't know if I gotta get this fixed somewhere else but
No, once we get it up here and get the bumpers on, we'll plug it up and we'll check it.
Okay.
What's going on up there? Let me get my light.
Okay. All right, man. So tips coming off. Take the tips off. Yes, sir. thing about me, bullshit. Damn, boy, I look tired like a motherfucker. Yeah, I ain't tired, man. I woke up kind of early. I was sleeping good. You know how it is when you sleeping good. You wake up. You gotta think about it. They ain't even started yet, so it's still early. I still got sleep in my eyes.
Manifold gas leaking.
Manifold.
Yeah.
Okay.
Manifold gas leaking. You can recheck for it just to make sure.
Okay.
Because it does have this is a regional exhaust up here. You see that? This little flapper thing. You see where my finger's at right here?
Yep.
This little heat riser. That's what they call a heat riser. They don't even make those anymore.
Damn.
That's original stuff. Them studs are original. This exhaust ain't never been off this car. When they took motors out, they took exhaust and everything with it, which is awesome. Yeah. The reason I say manifold gas is because all this stuff looks sealed up. I don't see no black smoke. It's probably louder in the morning when it's cold in it.
Kind of, sort of.
Yeah. We'll check it, man. We'll check when we get through break. Make sure we got our stuff sealed up, and we'll check that up there.
Okay. Hey, got a question. Hey, man. Trying to make sure everything else good. Like I got a little drip coming like that. So we're going to turn down. Going to turn down, man. Hey, I'm starting to wake up a little bit. That's why I said, guys, I ain't tired. I just had, what you call it? You know how we sleep so good, and you wake up, you be like, damn, nigga, I didn't know I was asleep. So that's kind of how it was, keeping eyes and shit like that. So it's still early. It's like I said, about 9 something. So we still got down waking up. But yeah, man, this is where we at, man. Delta Muffler. Like I said, we going to turn down. Taking all the pipes off, so it do give a little more clean look. If you look at it, it gives a little more clean look. We're gonna go home and paint that gas tank like a I mean just some chrome paint. Paint the gas tank on that motherfucker. And that little bowl thing, we're gonna paint that too. Just kind of make it clean, you know what I'm saying? But she getting there, guys. Hey man, how you doing? Oh yeah, how about you? Yeah, man. So, what I was gonna say. So, yeah, we're gonna paint that up under there. Just a process. I'm gonna stop by the rear end place too. I gotta get them to check my rear end out, and I might just set an appointment just to, you know, tell them to set my rear end out. So I feel like when you hit on the gas, it kind of like sideways. So we're gonna get that checked out. Could be a bushing or something like that. But I'm gonna tell them change the bushings, change the make sure his rear end got grease in it, stuff like that. So that's all, man. I was thinking about going 373, but I ain't gonna do 373 because that transmission and them 26s, they pulling. I feel like if I go 373, then I'm gonna be, that's all, pedal to the middle. And with that transmission, I think it's a 400. I don't think it got the kick down. So it's not gonna, it's just gonna, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be too much. So yeah, y'all stay tuned to the channel. We working, dog, we working. Boy, get it, man. Hey, man, shout out to Delta Muffin, man, Terry Road. Boys getting it, man. Look at that. He getting it too. Y'all out here working. Yep. And then that button. Probably gotta hit the gas a little bit. My bad. I got the door. Oh yeah. Down deep. Yeah, it got a little tone to it. It look like it's on that side over there. Ain't no telling. And it sounds good, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. My boys get me right, man. Hey, them brakes ain't that good. Hey, when you do get down, when you put it in reverse, them brakes, you got to hold them. Huh? You want me to back it off? All right, I got you. Try to go all the way in the road. All right, I'm for the back right here. Huh? Oh, I'm finna put it right here. Yeah, the thing, son. You hit on it. Oh, yeah. You a hit on it for me? Let's see what it sounds. All right, cool. Oh yeah. Appreciate it. I gotta get rid of that fan. That fan, I can hear that mug. Wow. Appreciate it. Let me turn it off. Oh yeah. sir. All right, guys. So we leaving. Leaving the muffler shop. Look at that thing clean. Leaving the muffler shop, man. Got them flow mats on. Oh, buddy, and took my cup. I know he did. But I'm looking at it. That's the same cup. Oh, buddy, and took my cup. I was just looking for, you know, put some damn drink in it. Oh, yeah. So I ended up getting a turn down. I was going to leave that big pipe on there, guys, but they were just like, you don't want it blowing all on your wheels, your tires, all the dust. I was like, yeah, it makes sense, all the, you know, the exhaust. But I just knew it was gonna be more of a crowd, but it's all good. You gotta get that fan did now. Yeah, we gotta turn down. She ain't too loud though. I could have had the exhaust running to the back, but we took it down because you know, everything was running by the tire, by the gas tank. You can see the pipe hanging all the way. Like, even if I put it on the side, it's still, you still gonna see it because it's kind of small. So it's all good. But one thing I can say I need to change out ASAP is that fan. You hit on the gas, the only thing you hear was wow, wow. You see that big ass fan up there. I need to find out what kind of fan is on my dump and install it and put it on my put it on here, take this off, put it on there. That's what I need to do. And then it'll give me a little more power, a little more sound. You won't hear that damn fan. So yeah, guys, now we're about to head to the rear end shop. We're gonna get them to check it out. Hope they don't charge to look at it, but we're gonna get them to check it out. And if it's something they can fix now, like if it's something simple, which I doubt it, because I'm pretty sure they got shit to do. Shit, I was gonna say shit, you know, first thing, I just have to set an appointment. But if they say go ahead and bring it, we can do it right quick. I just do it like that. Yeah, guys. Yeah, we about to do that, guys. So we finna head to the crib. We in Jacktown right now, man. We in old Jacktown. And they got the whips out here too. They got them out here. They put up, but they out here. But yeah, guys, we'll catch y'all back, man, once we make it. Got a cam in that mother. That bitch sound good. So, guys, we leaving Jackson Powertrain. They said they don't do, because they said it's not going to be in the rear end. They do rear end stuff. So, they said there's going to be something on the suspension side. But I'm going to have to go to Roby's. That's a place I do my front end and get them to check it out and look. So, I'm going to call them real quick and see if I can come and get it checked out. All right, guys, so we made it home, and boy, I'm excited. Let me see. I'm excited. See what it sounds like. It's got them turned down there. Sound good, man. I love it. Told y'all, man, this car, hey, we gonna be getting there, man. So, hey, back-to-back videos. Thank y'all for watching the channel, man. Y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned, man. We finna go and get these seats in. So, stay tuned.